नमस्कार। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मैथोलॉजी, यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी, प्रोग्राम नेम BA B.Ed 6M, कोर्स नेम पेडागोगी ऑफ सोशल साइंस, सेशन नेम सोशल साइंस curriculum features of social sciences. Welcome to all. Today discussing the topic social science curriculum features of social sciences. The term curriculum refers to the lessons and academic content taught in a school or in a specific course or program. An individual teacher's curriculum, for example, would be specific learning standards, lessons, assignments, and material used to organize and teach a particular course. We are talking to standards of social science. National curriculum formation of social sciences. What are the standards? What are the use of curriculum in nation, society and community, individual and best prepare the best citizen. Understanding society requires inputs from a number of subjects. Hence the syllabus of social sciences attempts taking an integrated approaches, drawing upon the knowledge inputs of anthropology, sociology, history, civics, geography and economics. National curriculum standards in social sciences. First published national curriculum standards in 1994. Since the social studies standards have been widely and successfully used as a framework for teachers, schools, districts, state and other nation as a tool for curriculum alignment and development. The aim of social studies is the promotion of civic competence, the knowledge, intellectual process and democratic dispositions required of students to be active and engaged participants in public life. The integrated study of the social sciences and humanities to promote civic competence. Civic competence on this commitment to democratic values and requires the abilities to use knowledge about one's community, nation and words, apply inquiry process and employ skills of data collection and analysis, collaboration, decision making and problem solving. Young people who are knowledgeable, skillful and committed to democracy and necessary to sustaining and improving our democratic way of life and participating as members of a global community. The civic mission of social studies requires more than the acquisition of content. Since social studies has as its primary goal the development of democratic citizenship, the experiences students have in their social studies classroom should enable learners to engage in civics discourse and problem solving and to take informed civic action the National Curriculum Standards for Social Studies. Present purpose of National Curriculum formation worth engaging in and knowledge worth learning. They provide the essential framework needs to educate young people for the challenges of citizenship. Social science studies, social studies standards. The social science curriculum standards offer educators, parents, and policymakers the essential conceptual framework for curriculum design and development to purpose informed and active citizens. Main purpose of prepare the good citizen of the nation. The standards represent the framework for professional deliberation and planning of the social sciences curriculum for grades from 1st to 12. They address overall curriculum development, wide specific discipline based content, standard, surveys, guides for specific content that fits within this framework. Classroom, teachers, educators, and state, district, and school administrator can use this document as a standards points for the systematic design and development of the effective social studies curriculum. The major goal and objective of social science education: growing civic minded citizens, civilized civic ideals, and practices are main themes in social sciences content according to the NCSS. NCS full form is National Curriculum Standards in Social Sciences. Creating cultural competence, generating geography and globe knowledge, understanding economic production and consumption of social sciences. There are many themes in social sciences. The first theme is culture. The learner learn, understand the social science curriculum. They respect our Indian culture. Time, continuity, and change. What is the time? This time, ancient time, future time. What are places, what are environments in that time, in this time, and in tomorrow time. Overall knows knowledge, overall knowledge, understand gain in social science curriculum. People, places, and environments. Individual development and identity. Social science curriculum features are individual development and identity, individual groups and institutions, power, authority, and governance, production, distribution, and consumptions, science, technology, and societies, global connections, civics, ideals, and practices. Social science curriculum features are very important for teachers, teacher educators, parents, society, nation, district, and state. Mainly, overall purpose of curriculum in social sciences prepare good citizen, and good citizen handling the nation या overall situation are sustainable and follow the values, follow the culture. So social sciences curriculum are very important for individual, society and nation. The session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and also say hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.